Hi, my name is Lori, and right now I'm in a section of ponderosa pine forest that is currently being restored. But why do we have to restore our forests in the first place? And what methods do we use to restore them? Humans have long used our forest for resources, whether it be food, water, or building materials. Logging is one of the ways we humans have changed the structure of our forests. By cutting down trees faster than they can grow, we present a huge challenge to our forest ecosystems. Another way that we change our forests is by fire suppression. In an effort to protect our towns and homes, we try to put out and prevent forest fires. Together, these challenges can cause parts of our forest to become unhealthy and unstable, leaving them prone to large forest fires that can threaten our homes and our forests. High-severity fires can wipe out large portions of forest and put the entire ecosystem at risk. These fires can endanger our watersheds, damage our homes, and even cause severe flooding in our towns. That's why it's really important for us to restore these unhealthy forests and help them become healthy again. Two methods that we use to restore our forests are forest thinning and prescribed fires. Forest thinning is essentially increasing the space between trees so that fire cannot spread as easily and trees have less competition for resources. By thinning out the forest and removing young pines, we can reduce the fuel for forest fires. After thinning out the trees, the next step is to reintroduce fire to the system. This is done with prescribed fires, which are controlled and planned fires that are started and monitored by forest managers. Consistently having healthy, low-severity fires is the best way to prevent large and destructive fires, and they also help our trees and plants grow and thrive. These restoration efforts put our forests back on the right track, making them more resilient and able to withstand challenges such as drought or forest fires without human intervention. What are some signs of a restored forest? What comes to mind when you hear the word restored?